Visualizing sound is one of the most accurate ways to pinpoint anomalies and potential failures in air compressor, vacuum, and electrical systems. It's done through ultrasonic imaging, a new technology that's helping manufacturers and utilities maximize efficiency, uptime, and safety by turning sound into valuable leak prevention data. Hi, I'm Steven for Teledyne FLIR, and today we're taking a closer look at the FLIR SI-124. This ultrasonic imaging camera has 124 microphones that form a precise acoustic image that's added in real time to a digital camera photo. The result is an image that pinpoints the source of a sound. The FLIR SI-124 is more sensitive than the human ear, meaning it can both pick up sounds outside our range of hearing and reliably locate the source. Plus, onboard artificial intelligence filters out background noise, separating the interesting, ultrasonic sounds from everyday ambient noise. But the best feature of the SI-124 are its analysis and reporting capabilities. Thanks to both a free cloud service and a new software plugin, you can save, analyze, and build reports with your images, either in the field or from our FLIR Thermal Studio Pro software. While you're in the field, the SI-124 automatically uploads images to the FLIR Acoustic Camera Viewer in the cloud. But when Wi-Fi isn't an option, the camera saves images directly to your internal storage. Then you just transfer them to a computer running FLIR Thermal Studio Pro software. When paired with the free Acoustic Viewer plugin that comes with your SI-124, FLIR Thermal Studio Pro is really the best resource for analysis and reporting. This feature-rich plugin allows SI-124 users to edit images and review critical data collected by the camera. It includes analysis tools such as estimated leak size and annual leak cost, as well as data from the waveform and frequency content. You'll use these to quickly calculate the size of a compressed air or vacuum leak and then determine the annual energy savings once the leak is repaired. For utilities and electrical inspections, the Acoustic Viewer plugin features a new severity assessment tool for partial discharge. This tool relies on artificial intelligence to analyze sound waves from the partial discharge to provide a description of the defect, determine whether it's critical, and recommend a corrective action. Once you've created your report, export it as a PDF or Excel file that you can share with your team and determine if equipment should be repaired or replaced. As for return on investment, consider this. Compressed air systems account for 10% of electrical and more than 15% of motor energy use by US manufacturers. So when these systems leak, the resulting energy loss, safety hazards, and just the cost of replacing equipment make the SI-124 critical to finding and repairing leaks. And as for electrical systems, more than 85% of disruptive failures in high and medium voltage equipment are related to partial discharge. The FLIR SI-124's ability to accurately locate and assess partial discharge makes it a valuable inspection tool. Learn more about the SI-124 and your industrial applications at TeledyneFLIR.com.